So we are now on to day number 10, and just to give you a brief recap on this expedition, we are now in South Georgia and our main agenda on this date is to explore St. Andrews Bay. Now this has got to be one of my top favorite experiences during this whole expedition to Antarctica. And it's not hard to know why, given the surreal sight that you saw in this video's intro. This really was a great wildlife hub given the thousands of seals and almost a million of king penguins. Before I show you how we got to that colony, let me share with you first a bit of the scenes and sounds of this amazing St. Andrews Bay. And finally, moving on to how we reached the huge king penguin colony, we first had to cross this glacial stream, which thankfully wasn't so deep that day. However, the current is still a bit strong and the stones are slippery, so we had to be careful. Even more so for me because I had camera gear on hand. So, I just finished crossing the river. And now I'm with the penguins and it's snowing and it's perfect. I'm so happy. After this, we just had to go over some hills to see this jaw-dropping view. And for sure, words cannot even begin to express how amazing it was to see these creatures all huddled up together in such numbers. After I spent enough time admiring this work of nature, I had to go back to the ship for lunch and also because it was starting to get really cold. Nevertheless, I took one last time of mingling with the bay's adorable creatures. Day 11 and 12 were spent at sea as we finally started to make our way to the tip of the Antarctic Peninsula. If you're excited as I am, do stay tuned for part number 5 of this video series. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!